I do believe it has been a while since I've ever made a video about encrypted installations. So basically it's Calamares doing his job, and that's fine. And I need to go to the channel itself because there is a search here.
Set up crazy long passwords.
And he should shut up there. And this search is the one you need, not that one. That's the world, right? Just our channel. Yeah, encrypt is probably gonna be the word. Encryption on Arch-based systems, playlists. How to encrypt ArcoLinux with Calamares, but it's 1054 and 3284. We're now at 3800. So that was 11 months ago since I've done a test. I'm really not a fan of it, but I should test it, right? From time to time, at least. So let's put in the ISO that we're going to deliver. I think it's already in there. Yeah, it's in there. And let's just go to the UEFI firmware settings, to the boot manager, to the CD-ROM, and boot up, and tell the system you can encrypt this one, right? There are too many people on forums, our forum, other forums, ArcoLinux based forums, with issues. Encryption gone wrong and they can't access their data. So it's not for me, and I don't like the extra password where you need to type something in. Why would I do that at home, right? So there is nothing, no reason for me. I have no laptop companions that takeaway that I use for work or for play, right? And then it makes more sense, a laptop that's encrypted. But let's see. Advanced installation, choose, right? Doesn't really matter, choose. We're about to check the encrypted bit in Calamares. So this is not our work. The design, the settings, yes, sure, but this is Calamares, github.com/calamares/calamares. So you choose whatever you want. Let's just go over everything, and it starts to be interesting in this little bit here, right? So you say erase disk, that's fine, and here we have this question, this click encrypt, and of course I make a very difficult password here, and that's it. Twice a difficult password, and all the rest is not chosen by me, is chosen by Calamares, the team of a dozen of guys, of distros, all their knowledge combined with the Calamares guys. That's how they like to encrypt things. And let's see if it still works. So all we have to do is now wait. But I'll pause the video when it's underway, when it's started. Voila, mounting, filling up systems. From now on, he knows what is what, which is which, and if it's encrypted or not, it's gonna be somewhere in the technical data here. All right, so let's pause the video, and then we'll see what, if it's successful, 1, 2, how will it greet us when we reboot. And it's finished installing everything, and all we need to do is reboot, and then everything kicks in. If all is well, it's gonna ask you enter passphrase. You can't do anything without it, so let's do something wrong. I press enter, attempting to decrypt master key, it says, and then everything fails. There's no second attempt. That's the point of security. Ah, there it is. Access denied, blah blah blah, not found. Entering rescue mode, and all you can do is reboot the machine and try again. So Ctrl-Alt-R, right Control-R, right, reset in a virtual machine, enter passphrase. This time I'm gonna have it right. It's gonna check Is that the correct password? And off it goes. That's the image we want to see. And if you're wondering, sometimes we ask, you see here already def mapper lux, right? Lux is a word to remember, ArchWiki lux, ArchWiki encryption, stuff like that. You learn more because I am not savvy enough. I am not I choose not to use it. So I don't have a lot of knowledge about it. But what can you do? You can actually have a look at gparted. Is an interesting way of looking at things and see if you can recognize it. So now you know that ext4 is encrypted. Boot EFI, the kernel and all that, is not encrypted. And that's the vision of Calamares. And many people have built to come to this conclusion that they say this is for us the best way on Linux, to have this one free and that one encrypted. What else can you do? You can open a terminal and you can ask def. Def will also say to you def lux. And this is our EFI. So these are the ways how we can ask and figure out, hey, what did you do in your system? And voila. So it's a good test for me. Everything is still okay. The ISO that we used this for a few days. In 5 days time you'll get it, the 2404204, meaning it was always working, and this is again a test. All right, enjoy.